Hi, this is Stephany with Madison College, and now that we know the different types of caulk and the different equipment we're going to need, let's do some caulking. First, take your caulk gun and let's pull the plunger back so we can make room to put the caulk in. Push the button, pull the plunger back. On some of them, there may not be a button to push, in which case you would just turn this and pull it back as well. Take your tube of caulk, and we need to cut the top and then poke the small piece of tin foil on the inside. Take your utility knife. We want to cut it at a slight angle, 10 to 15 degrees or so, something in that line. It's going to help us to make a straight bead. Using your thumb, carefully cut until you get a nice angled cut. So we've got a nice cut. Now we need to puncture the small tin foil cap that's on the inside. And the reason that's there is to keep the caulk fresh in the tube while it's in storage. So any sort of wire will do. Reach it on in there, and you should be able to poke right through the tin foil. Put the caulk tube in, butt first, slide it in, turn the angle so it's facing down, and just start feeding the plunger in until you feel a little pressure. So we have the angle of the caulk tube facing down. When running a caulk bead, we put it so that the point is farthest away. Hold on with both hands and start to squeeze the handle until you see the caulk coming out. As it comes out, you start to run the caulk gun along the line. As you come to an end, that's where you push your button to stop the caulk from flowing. Then come around the other side and start again, squeezing gently till the caulk starts to come out, and then running the line all the way till its end. And don't forget to stop the caulk when you get close to the end. Next, you'll want to follow behind and do what we call tooling the joint to make it look a little bit nicer. And there you just use your finger and some paper towel. Carefully run your finger along the caulk to smooth it out. Wipe the excess off on the paper towel and continue. Nice and gentle, and cleans the bead up and makes it look nice and professional. So now that you know the different techniques, you're ready to go and caulk.